This is our house.
Yeah.
A beautiful house. Beautiful laptop. Beautiful wife. Handsome husband. Whatever.
Whatever.
There's a house. Look at the kitchen. My favorite place. There's the outside, the wooded place.
The forest.
The forest. Something on the top of the fan.
Jed!
Dad!
Jed! Jed, come here!
That's my son.
Jed, mag-shorts ka nga, mag-ano ko lang ka ni
It's
daddy mo
not
ng, ano, ng
normal.
violin. Dali, isang ano lang kuha, para ano na. Come on, suot mo tong shorts mo para ano.
Bilisan mo.
Dali oh, saka tong t-shirt mo. Tapos mag-violin ka. Tapos kukuha na, para ma-record na ni daddy mo.
1,309 minutes? Yeah.
Ang 60 gigabytes.
Yeah.
60 gigabytes.
Galing naman.
More than 10 hours.
What 10 hours?
15 off eligible accessories.
15% nga eh.
Ah, tapos pwede mo
Yeah.
i-CD.
Come on, anak.
Okay.
Play that right role for me.
Oh, I want to do the whole thing.
Yeah, do the whole thing.
I don't want to stand though.
We should need another battery charger.
Huwag ka ba ganyan ah? Yeah, another charger.
TV holder.
It's a photon laser.
$70.
Yeah. Ayan, mga casing na ganyan, maganda na yan. Medyo handy. Konti. Okay, meron mga pocket casing lang. Come on!
Aba? May converter lens pa siya.
Galing! McDonald's doon, sir?
All McDonald's.
Ah, McDonald's.
Farm. Tayo ka!
Sige na. Nakalinaw na ito. Napakalinaw.
No, I want
Okay.
Candles and Nicholas.
Okay.
Okay, do that.
Kesat na yung mukha niya. Para makita ni Papa. Is the D not in tune? Smile, Jed, smile. Smile. Smile, kadali.
Say hi to Papa.
I love you, Papa. Sabi mo na.
What is to?
It's alright. Huwag mo nang galawin yung peg na yan. Sabi mo, hi, Papa.
Hey, yo, Baba!
How you doing? Up yonder.